Hi children, it's nice to see you because today we're going to do a nice hippo craft. Okay, what we need is, we need some newspaper. I'm sure you all have some newspaper. If you don't have, not to worry. You can ask mommy to give you some magazines. Okay, magazines, you can cut it out into oval shape. We need 2 pieces of oval shapes. Okay, and we need 2 googly eyes. Since we don't have googly eyes at home, I'm going to show you what I've done here. We have 2 eyes that I drew from a piece of paper and I cut it out and I pre-cut. And I do cut out some teeth. Look at this for the hippo craft. And what have I got here? The hippo's legs. We need to have hippo's legs. So, because we're going to paste at the front version, so we just only can see 2 legs. And what we need is the head of the hippo, and 2 ears. So we're going to assemble all this together. What we do, we take 1 piece of oval shape and we're going to glue it on a piece of blue paper. Now we're going to glue it up and we're going to paste the body and we're going to paste the head of the hippo. Then we're going to paste the legs and another leg. We're going to paste the mouth where we have to fold it. Okay, we're going to fold this way and we're going to paste for the mouth. Alright, glue it here one side and we attach to the face. This is going to be the hippo's mouth. Right, it's going to open. There you go. Next, we're going to paste the eyes. Remember, if you have googly eyes, you can paste the googly eyes. And I have to draw the snout. You can use pink color, or if you want to use in gray color, you can also. Paste the ears underneath. Oh, it's nearly finishing. We need to paste the teeth. You can either use marshmallow if you have at home or cut out some sponges. Mrs. Pala doesn't have any sponge, so I'm going to use some white color paper and I'm going to attach all the teeth around the mouth here. You can either cut or you can use this white color paper to attach here. Okay, you can see the hippo's mouth. I'm going to use the cutout paper. 1 to here. And another one here. See the opening? You can even add a bit more at the bottom. The hippo is going to be in the water. We need the water. So I don't have blue color tissue. You can either use blue color paper, transparent glossy paper to cover at the bottom to see through the hippo's leg is in the water. Okay, Mrs. Bala used tissue. I took it out all the tissue and I used the paper, this plastic, to cover so that I can see the hippo's foot inside the water. Alright, and I do have another folder here. You can even cut it out and you can attach that at the bottom so that you can see through the hippo's feet. Thank you.